Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back, everyone. Sorry for not being on for a few days. It's been very hot out in the garage, so I haven't been out doing very many videos. But I was out this morning. I was out here this morning after making it back from uh, my morning task, and um, I pulled this one out from underneath the layout. I thought it was powered, but it's not. But um, it does have, it's lighted. So I bought this one. I don't know how long ago it's been, but I bought it a while back. And like I said, I thought it was powered. It's been in the box underneath the layout, right along with a few others. Um, but that's this one. And like I said, it's non-powered, so but it's lighted. And it's a sea liner. Canadian National Sea Liner. So we'll have to buy a powered one for this one. Let's check the other. Now this one, come on, start moving. Okay, it is moving, but okay. So this one's been under the layout, and I do believe they get like this because uh, right now it's what about 8:30, and it's already 95 degrees here in Arizona. So I'll probably have to take this one inside the house and um, work on it. It probably just needs to be lubricated. So it's a Burlington Northern. I think it's a SD30. I'm sorry, SD38. Um, the handrails are all missing. So um, yeah, but when I bought it with. Sorry if I'm making anyone dizzy, but I bought it with all of these cars. So it's this one. We have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So all Burlington Nationals. And I will take them, clean them up as well. But yeah, I'll show you what I did this morning. So let me pause for a moment and I'll go around there. Okay, so for the lower section underneath the layout, I now have the bridge in. I had to modify it a little bit uh, for the support that's here. Where is it at? Right here. This support right here. And we're actually making it all the way around to the other section. I still got to clean this area up over here a little bit. So it's coming along slowly. I only come out here for about 20 minutes because it gets so hot out. So I only work for about 20 minutes, and that's as far as I've gotten underneath here. I'm actually gonna start uh, making it go straight across until it gets to the back, and then once it gets to the back, it's gonna go along this way. So I still have to, that board that's down, I still have to cut that one to the specs of over there in the corner where we were just at, and Still got a lot of wiring to do for the lights. So, like I said, everything is coming along. I don't know if I put this in the last video, but I did put the yellow lines along this street. I should be doing this street maybe tomorrow. Don't quote me on it, because I'll say, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but I don't get to it because it gets too warm out here, and sometimes doing your daily task and other things get in the way. This will show you how bad it is. That the one that derailed, it's still back there. I haven't gone and gotten it yet, so I still have to go back there and get that and all the cars that came off also. So, but yeah, it's coming along. This one still doesn't want to act right. I don't know if it's the locomotive or if it's my controller, but I do believe it's more of the locomotive itself. But it's still moving. It's cogging, but it's moving. Let's see. That is pretty much it. I haven't done anything out here. I did straighten up this area a little, but a lot of this stuff is going to be going away. It's going to go back underneath. I'm hoping to start on this area soon. I don't know when exactly, but soon. I just have to dry brush the water so that way you can see the waves. I did my best at trying to make them, so it didn't come out too bad. And also, I do have to clean the track again. This Arizona weather, whenever the garage door goes up, and it goes up a lot due to always on the move, so it allows the dust and the to blow right on in through the front door from the garage door. Another one of my neighbors. Well, alrighty. Well, I hope everyone had a blessed day, or have a blessed day. Like and subscribe. Come back and see me again. Hopefully I can have this thing running better. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Well, alrighty. See you later. Bye for now, and take care.